Welcome to PixelStudio, a pixel art workspace that helps users draw, edit, and refine small digital artwork with practical creative controls. The main app opens on Editor. The top navigation includes Editor, Filters, History, and Export. The Editor workspace is divided into a left Tools panel, a central Canvas area, and a right Adjustments panel. The left Tools panel begins with an upload control that accepts common image formats. The user can also drag and drop an image into the central drop zone. Before an image is loaded, the canvas area says to drop an image or click upload. Once an image is loaded, it appears on the canvas and the empty message is hidden. Pixel Studio stores the original image and begins tracking editing history. The Tools panel includes crop, circle crop, resize, rotate clockwise, rotate counterclockwise, rotate 180 degrees, angle rotation, horizontal flip, vertical flip, draw, text, shape, undo, and redo. The crop tool lets the user draw a crop rectangle on the image. Confirm crop applies the crop, while cancel restores the previous state. Circle crop cuts the image into a centered square circle crop. Resize prompts for a new width and height, and rotation and flip tools transform the canvas. The draw tool lets the user draw directly on the image with the selected color and brush size. The text tool places text on the image using the current text value, size, bold setting, italic setting, and color. The shape tool supports rectangles, circles, and lines with an optional fill setting. The right adjustments panel contains sliders for brightness, contrast, saturation, hue rotation, temperature, sharpness, blur, vignette, and exposure. As the user changes sliders, the image updates. The Reset Adjustments button returns adjustment values to their defaults. The tool options area includes the color picker, brush size slider, shape type selector, fill shape checkbox, text field, text size input, bold checkbox, and italic checkbox. These controls change how drawing, shapes, and text behave. Undo and redo maintain up to 20 canvas snapshots. The keyboard shortcuts Ctrl-Z and Ctrl-Y also move backward and forward through edit history. The filter screen shows one-click filters. When an image is loaded, Pixel Studio generates filter previews such as original, grayscale, sepia, vintage, cool, dramatic, fade, chrome, bloom, noir, sunset, forest, vivid, matte, neon, and invert. Clicking a filter applies it to the main image and returns to the editor. The custom filter mixer lets the user blend up to 3 filters with separate strength sliders. Applying the mix combines those filter effects into a custom result and stores it in the editing history. The history screen explains that undo and redo maintain up to 20 full canvas snapshots. It shows how many states exist and which one is current. The Reset to Original button returns the image to the original uploaded state. The export screen lets the user prepare the finished image. The export controls include format, quality, size, custom width and height, file name, watermark toggle, watermark text, watermark size, watermark opacity, and watermark position. Formats include JPEG, PNG, and WebP. Size can remain original, scale to 75%, 50%, 25%, or use a custom size. The estimated file size updates based on format, quality, and dimensions. If watermarking is enabled, Pixel Studio adds the watermark text to the selected position, such as bottom right, bottom left, top right, top left, or center. The download button saves the edited image, and copy to clipboard attempts to copy the image directly for pasting elsewhere. Pixel Studio gives the user a complete lightweight image editor in the browser. It supports uploads, canvas editing, adjustments, drawing, text, shapes, filters, history, export controls, and watermarking without requiring a separate desktop tool.